If you're encountering Matchmaking Error 2026 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. Sometimes, the error may be due to server maintenance or outages. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game's servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure they are not blocking Red Dead Redemption 2. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable your antivirus to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Red Dead Redemption 2. This could fix any corrupted files that may be causing the matchmaking error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the matchmaking error and enjoy your gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.